Lucy? Getting up. Gonna go and see what the naughty elves have done. Oh, then, babe. No, you don't like mornings, do you? Okay. Oh, then. Go and wake James up, right? Oh, hey, you have to get up. Come on. Go and wake James up. Chloe. Come on. James. Morning. Want to see what the naughty elves have done? They are naughty. Yeah. You cheeky. Oh, then, go down. Go on then. Stuff. Oh, then let's have a look in the room. Can you see them?
Nope.
Sure. Look. Where are they? Oh, they're not on the shelf. Whoa. My God. Right. You see them, James? James is a good searcher. Are they in the tree? No. Let's have a look. We found them. Puppies, what? Oh! Hell? What are you doing? I mean, come on. Really? What you doing, Poppy? Poppy? What you doing, babe?
I think they're getting as much as they can.
What does this there's a letter? Oh, there's a letter, look. What does it say? These cookies are blah. Please do not give them to Santa. Kiss, kiss, elf, PZ50. What do we have to deal with? Glad the kids sorted out. Lucy? Lucy? What are we going to do about these? Lucy? Pause that now. Pause that. What are we going to do? How much of your food have they ate? What are they doing, Poppy? What's it doing? What's it doing? Oh my no word. She's gonna get the elf, I think. Oh no. Leave it. It's only had a couple. It's only had a couple. Leave PZ50 alone. Yo. Leave her alone. Get the elf. the elf's got my phone. Right, it's coming to get you, Poppy. It's coming to get you. The elf's coming to get you. You. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Leave the elf. Where's Poppy going? Poppy was going... I thought she was going to attack the elf. Then it would have been dead elf on the shelf. Or we can kill the elf. Easy peasy 50. Poppy, what you doing? Have you run off for good? I think Poppy's left home because we're eating a biscuit. Here she is. Poppy. Oi, oi, leave them. Have you found another elf and you're eating it? Leave it. Oi, oi, oi. Oh no, she's going to eat the elf. What are we going to do? Stop it. She's trying to get the elf. Oh no, I think she's eating the bones of the elf. Ooh. Right, nah, we're only kidding, aren't we? Come on then, are you gonna, shall we get the elves off your food, eh? They've been winding you up overnight, eating your food, eh, babe? Right, well, if you like our little videos of the naughty elves on the shelves, especially this one with them eating Poppy's dog food, she's naughty, they're naughty, please give us a like, thumbs up, share and hit that notification bell for any more future videos that we are going to post, and we know you'll like them. Say bye for now, Poppy. Say bye for now, Lucy. Okay, bye.